G'day guys, it's Rod McDonald here from Elders in Bega. We're really excited today to bring you this property at Goats Knob Road at Tathra. As you can see, it's got some spectacular views back over the Bega River, back towards the Tathra Wharf. There really isn't anything like this that I've seen before. Over 50 hectares of pristine bush, incredible river access and some stunning views. A rare opportunity to build a dream home on a spectacular bush block. I can't wait to show you this property. Give us a call and we'll organise an inspection.